Today, Swedish Baklava is in Kaş, Antalya.
Yeşili ezemezsiniz, mavi üzemezsiniz, yeşili ezemezsiniz.
When we were there, weather was really warm, around 38 degrees. Also sea was a bit warm, but better than we expect actually. It wasn't 40 plus degrees. But if you are going to visit Kaş, we think September-October season is the best time for visiting, or around May, because between those months, here is really warm and crowded. From the center to the ancient theater, it takes 8 minutes of walking, but everyone is trying to use their cars and there's a big parking problem there. So just walk and don't use your car. We went to Kaputaş around 6 am. And here you can see the parking spot, basically no one is here yet. Kaputaş is a really beautiful destination with a really good and crystal clear sea, and as you can guess, it's a really popular destination. So there's a huge possibility that you will meet with a crowd. To avoid it, you can go there a bit early. And here it's 9:30. Kaputaş is half full and lots of people are arriving every minute. The parking lot is full already, so arriving early was a good idea. Seyrek Çakıl is as good as Kaputaş but not that popular. We went there around 9 and it wasn't crowded at all. A boat tour is a must in Kaş. You are departing from Kaş and spending the whole day visiting bays where you can't reach with your car or something. Because of that, they are really great bays. The boat stops at every bay and gives you some time to experience around. And lunch is served on the boat. The captain is making a barbecue there, so it's really good option to spend the day. Choosing the right boat is important. Our choice was Bermuda. Because there were limited people, everyone has their fixed spot, no loud music and children weren't allowed. And they can speak English and Russian. If you are visiting the Kaş, you need to visit Kastellorizo island as well. This island belongs to Greece and there are daily cruises from Kaş and you can reach there in 20 minutes, so close. Let's not talk about Kastellorizo that much now, but we have another video just about Kastellorizo. If you want to check it out, you are more than welcome. Godo Cafe is a calm place. We really like the coffee they offer. Kaş Gourmet Falafel has really good vegan options. We like the falafel and hummus. Pişekar Vegan Food is another place to taste vegan options. They have a large menu. Budka Street Food is really central restaurant. They have really tasty food. We really like Turkish traditional ravioli. Bay Köfte is serving traditional meatballs and they are grilling there for you and it was really tasty. Muhtar Market is a good option for buying anything basic, the prices were okay. We stayed at Laura Kaş Hotel. The owner is really kind family. The hotel is really central. They have traditional breakfast and every morning they are cooking special recipes. We requested 1 or 2 recipes but the chef declined our request because they were secret. So if you want to taste it, staying is the only option. Thank you for watching us. The places that we mentioned during the video are the places that we really like. We have no relation with any of them. I hope this video will be helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Hope to see you next time.